Irony here. Welcome to Krazee Adventures. Today, we decided to take a scenic drive through towns in western Mass and northern Connecticut. Due to road conditions, we altered our trip. We had a fantastic drive through the stunning snow-covered trees. Join us to see where the road leads us.
Clouds hanging low, but the day's still bright. Snow falling steady in the open light. Wind brushing branches, shaking them loose, like the world's waking up to something new. Gravel roads dressed in white and gray, sun breaking through in a stubborn way. Hands loose on the wheel, heart awake. This feels like more than a simple escape. It's not a fight, it's a forward move. Every mile says I've got nothing to prove. There's a storm on the back roads, but I'm not afraid. Daylight says I'm gonna be okay. Snow keeps falling, but I see the way through the hills, through the break of day. Let it fall, I'm still moving on. Farmhouse is glowing soft and warm, smoke curling slow into the storm. Snowbanks rising on either side, like the road's holding me inside. Tires crunch like a steady beat, every turn feels light on my feet. This isn't grit, this isn't war, this is knowing what I'm driving for. Even the storm feels less intense when you're not on the defense. There's a storm on the back roads, but I'm not afraid. Daylight says I'm gonna be okay. Snow keeps falling, but I see the way through the hills, through the break of day. If I slow down, the world gets wide. Nothing chasing me this time, just winter air and open space, and a little faith. Storm on the back roads, soft and slow, sunlight breaking through the snow. I'm not rushing, I'm not late, I'm right where I'm meant to be today. The morning light on a silver road, snow still falling, but the sky's wide open. Pine trees dressed in a Sunday white, everything feels clean in the daylight. Windows down just enough to feel that cold air burn that makes it real. Hilltown signs half covered still, but I'm smiling at the quiet thrill. Even my thoughts slow down out here. Daylight makes it all feel clear. White lines fading under pine trees. Daytime snow feels like it found me. Fresh snow they've seen it all and still begun. Time tracks caught in something new. Every mile holds with something true. Radio humming a Krazee Navel tune. Snowflakes drifting lazy and loose. I don't need a plan today, just daylight and an open byway. Every mile feels like a choice, and I like the sound of my own voice. White lines fading under pine trees. Daytime snow feels like it found me. Fresh snow covering yesterday. I'm not lost, I'm on my way. Every mouth by the afternoon, that's okay. I know it's true. Some moments don't need to stay. Change the way you see the day. White lines fading under pine trees. Sunlit slow rewriting me. Hilltown roads know how to say, slow down, breathe. Your first tracks on a sunlit road. Snow still falling, moving slow. Hill towns waking one by one. Steam rising when the plows come. Stone walls shining, fences bent, like the land knows what this meant. Every mile feels open now, like the world just said, go ahead. If I've been waiting for a sign, maybe this is mine. I'm leaving tracks in the snow today. Daylight showing me the way. Every mile writes something new. In lines only I can choose. past tries to pull me slow, I just let it go, leaving tracks in the slow to the day. Daylight showing me the way. Every mile writes something new. In lines only I can choose. By the time the sun goes down, the road not look untouched again. But I'll remember how it felt to finally trust where I went. I'm leaving tracks in the slow today. Hilltops, winter grace. Even one may fade from view, I know exactly what I drove to. Snow falls gentle in the afternoon. Sky washed clean in a pale blue hue. Bare trees sketching the horizon line. Everything feels calm in the daylight. Breath fogging up, then fading fast, like worries I don't need to ask. Hilltown roads stretch soft and long, feels like where I belonged all along. Nothing loud, nothing sharp, just an open beating heart. Let it fall, let it slow me down. Daytime snow in a quiet town. Every thought finally lands. I don't need more than what I have. In the falling quiet, sun glinting off the frozen ground. Every sound feels safe and round. No shadows hiding what I feel. Just an honest kind of real. Radio off, windows cracked. I don't need to fill the gaps. This moment's doing all the work, teaching me what matters first.
quiet.
Snow's still falling, but the sky's alive. Pale blue breaking through the white. Hilltown curves like the hand drawn slow. Every turn says enjoy the show. Pines lined up in their winter best. Sunlight catching on the mess of branches bending roads unsure. Feels like freedom roaring pure. Every curve's a promise made to stay curious and not afraid. Sunlit switchbacks take me high. Snow on the trees, open sky. I don't need a straight line home. I just need a road unknown. Daytime storm, I'm wide awake. Every turn is mine to take. Stone walls popping through the white, like old stories seeing light. Tires crunch like they approve of every restless forward move. Snowflakes sparkle when they fall, like winners throwing a ball. This isn't chaos, this is play. This is how you spend a day.
If I get lost, I'll still be found by the way this moment sounds. Every curve's a promise made to stay curious, not afraid.
Every curve's a promise made to stay curious and not afraid. I don't need a straight line home. I just need a road unknown. Daytime storm, I'm wide awake. Every turn is mine to
Every curve's a promise made. Every curve's a promise made to stay curious, not afraid.
Every curve's a promise made to stay curious and not afraid. I don't need a straight line home. I just need a road unknown. Daytime storm, I'm wide awake. Every turn is mine to
Daylight glowing through the trees, snow still falling like it sees. Hilltown roads dressed up in white, everything feels bold and bright. Barns and fences, frozen ground, still somehow the warmest sound is the way my tires hum, like they know where I'm coming from. I don't need a big escape, just a good day. Hilltown bright under falling snow, sunlit road saying take it slow. This isn't running, this is right. ice melts by afternoon. I'll still remember how it bloomed. Hilltown bright, daylight strong, snow keeps falling, I move on. This is how I know I'm free, when the road feels like it chose me. Daytime snow on a Saturday drive. Roads feel soft, I feel alive. No rush, no race, just miles ahead. Snow piled up where the plows have been. Hill towns feel half awake, nature shining on a frozen lake. Every stop sign feels like a dare, snowflakes swirling in the air. I don't need fast, I don't need loud, I like this speed I found. Saturday speed through winter seed, snow on snow like it's made for me. I'm not late, I'm not behind, I'm right on time with my own life. Daytime storm, but I don't care. I'm getting somewhere, just being here. Snowflakes landing on my sleeve like little reminders to breathe. Radio playing something warm, feels like shelter in the storm. Every mile feels easy now, like the road just showed me how to let go and let it roll. Hands light, open soul. If I stay right here too long, that's not wrong.
Let us know where you think we should explore next. Be sure to check the video description for the addresses of our stops today so you can plan a future adventure yourself. Can't wait to see where the road takes us next.
To break